Hello, buddy. Welcome to a short update here on the conditions over here in Corpus Christi. This is a live look at my camera right now. You might be able to hear the winds in the distance here. You might be able to hear the winds howling right now when we get these gusts of wind from these rain bands coming in from Hurricane Hanna here. But this is a live look at my webcam right now. Let's go ahead and look at the radar. This is the current radar right now. You can see a tornado warning just to the south of Three Rivers and George West there. That's going to expire in 7 minutes, so that's probably going to be expired by the time I upload this video. Or maybe they may extend it. Of course, just pay attention to your local National Weather Service over there, which is going to be, I believe it's going to be still within the Corpus Christi jurisdiction, I believe, still up there. Then you can see Hurricane Hanna here, 75-mile-an-hour winds, 1 minute sustained, with a pressure of 981 millibars, still holding together pretty well inland here, and it looks to be pretty much on a beeline, it seems, right for Rio Grande City, Texas. I passed to the north of McAllen there earlier in the loop there, and it's pretty much northwest of them now at this point. They probably got some really gusty winds and probably a lot more power outages there. In terms of the power outages in Corpus Christi, last I checked, the power outages were up to 43,000. And again, I expect that to fluctuate throughout the next few hours here as people get power restored and people lose power again due to these rain bands coming in. In fact, I just saw my power flicker right now. I still have power at this point in time, but my power has been flickering on and off when these rain bands come on in, like you saw this one right where my screen is right there. And let me see if I could draw it in there. This one right here coming on in and moving on over there. That one came in. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. You can see there's some of the conditions over here. We're going to be getting rainy weather for, pretty much till Tuesday, unfortunately, here for Corpus Christi. Right now, we're going to be getting trailing bands from Hurricane Hanna here as it's moving away from us, thankfully, after making a 90-mile-an-hour Category 1 landfall, high-end Category 1 landfall. Highest it could possibly have a Category 1 landfall at is 90 miles per hour, because 95 miles per hour doesn't exist in the knots to miles per hour conversion ratio. So you'll never see a 95-mile-an-hour Category 1 hurricane. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at the National Hurricane Center. Their latest update there. You could stop the video right now and read that if you want to. But you could, I'll just read a little bit of here. Texas Mesonet Station, northeast of Edcouch, Texas, recently reported sustained winds of 53 miles per hour and a wind gust of 71 miles per hour. And summary of 12 a.m. Central Standard Time, 5 UTC information. Location 26.5 degrees north, 98.3 degrees west, about 10 miles or 15 kilometers west-northwest of Edinburgh, Texas. About 20 miles or 30 kilometers north-northwest of McAllen, Texas. Maximum sustained winds, of course, are at 75 miles per hour or 120 kilometers an hour. Present movement is west-northwest or 250 degrees at 8 miles per hour or 13 kilometers an hour. Minimum central pressure is at 981 millibars or 28.97 inches of mercury there as of the latest update. So that's going to be pretty much about it for me. Hope everybody stays safe. There's a chance I could lose power here. Unfortunately, I still have power at this point in time, but I've contacted my friends earlier, and they've been without power for over 2 hours now in some places. And that's likely to be on the increase here as these rain bands come on in and bring gusty winds in excess of about 40, 50 miles per hour plus as they come on in. So we'll see what happens there. But that's going to be about it for me in this update. Hope everybody has a great day and night. You guys are. Stay safe, of course, especially if we're still on the path of this inland. Still, of course, expect to see hurricane force wind gusts and hurricane force sustained winds as of this latest update still. And always follow your National Hurricane Center and National Weather Service for accurate information, and listen to your local officials for the best information locally on terms of preparation, shelter, and all that stuff. So, yeah, that's pretty much about it. Again, hope everybody has a great day wherever you guys are. Stay safe, of course. If you have any comments, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Yeah, see you guys later. Peace.